This is how I publish 300 SEO blog posts on Autopilot without writing a single word. Watch this. I pick my site, set the language, my niche, target word count, 3,000 words, and the country I'm targeting. That's it. That's the whole setup. Now the AI wakes up. It's hunting for low competition, high-intent keywords my audience is actually searching for. No guesswork, real topic research automatically. Then it goes to work. Research, SEO, audit, draft, publish, every step runs itself. I just watch the runs stack up. Completed. 60 seconds later. Live article done. And look at the qualities. Real structure. Key takeaways. Internal links. Product breakdowns with why it works and who it's for. Images placed automatically. This reads like a human spent hours on it. Need a topic? Just ask. Give me the best low competition, high commercial intent topic for my niche, and it delivers. Then track everything, keywords, clicks, impressions, revenue, all in one place. This is viralmaker. Your content machine that never sleeps. Links in the bio, go build.